Charlie Cushane here to do another maintenance project on my 2001 Ford F-350. Today we're going to look at polishing the front headlights. I put them in about in 2012, so now 7 years ago, and they're starting to look foggy. So let's take a look. So here's the one headlight, and then we'll go take a look at the other side. As you can see at the very tops, it's gotten very hazy. So we're going to fix that today. Let's get started. Okay, to do the headlight restoration, I'm going to use a product from Meguiar's. It's a very well-known name. They offer 3 different kinds of headlight restoring products. As seen on the side, you can get it for a very rough or heavy duty. This is the 2-step moderate, and then there's a light, and I'm using the moderate. You actually, no tools required. You rub on a paste, let it dry, clean it off, and then you spray on a coating. And in the box they give you a couple of application pads, the spray coating, put on the top coat, and I envision this is going to be like a sandpaper type paste to buff and take it off. Now the first thing they say in the instructions is to mask the entire area. So let's do that next. Okay, now to do the masking, I'm going to use blue painter's tape. Now I go do the other side. Same thing. Here we go. All masked off. Now we'll start buffing. Okay, first thing it says, shake this well. Then when you put it on this applicator pad, put a bunch on the applicator. Now let's say go back and forth. It says you're done when you have a nice uniform haze across the whole thing. I'm doing a little more rubbing on the top because that's where it's most oxidized from the sun. There. Let's wipe that off and see how it looks. Maybe I'll give it one more rub down. Because it says reapply if necessary. I suppose we don't want to skimp on this step. Okay. Then it says get a wet towel and wipe it clean and let it dry. So let's go do that. Okay, got a damp towel. Oh, it looks better already. Alright. Now to go do the other headlight, but you can see it's already looking better, isn't it? There we go. You can see it's already looking better. Okay, the next step is to spray the clear coat on. And as you can see, I have a challenge with this brush bar. So I had to cover the entire thing and all around the headlight to make sure I didn't get anything on anywhere. Both sides. So I didn't show you the masking process, but I think you get the idea. It's a nightmare. And I got to spray right between those pipes onto the headlight to get a nice clear even coat. So that's the next step. Okay, I've waited a couple hours actually to let the headlights dry, and I taped everything and let it cool down. I waited for the shade to get over here, so I'm not doing it in the sun. Now I'm going to take a little air. Just get the dust off the headlight. Then they say shake this well, give it the headlight a couple of coats. Making sure you get a nice wet coat. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, there's a nice wet coat. Now let's go do the other one. Okay, now for this headlight. Okay, that's looking great. Now they say let it wait 3 to 5 minutes and give it another coat. So it's time to do it on the other headlight. Here we go. Second coat. I think that's got it for that headlight. Now let's go do the other one. Here we go on the second coat on the other headlight. Here we go. That should do it. Beautiful. Let it dry and untape. Okay, it's dried for about a half an hour. Time to untape it. Carefully. Perfect. Let's go take a look at those headlights. Here they are, up close. They came out spectacular. I see absolutely no blemishes. It's crystal clear, like the lens isn't even there. Unbelievable. Same with the other side. That Meguiar's did a fantastic job. The only thing to test out now is how long does it last. Perfect. Job well done.